Hey everyone, in this video, let's talk about how you can get an API key for Claude. In order to do so, here we are at anthropic.com, and up at the top in the main menu here, you're going to see where it says Claude, and if you hover over that with your mouse, then you'll see here the option that says API. We're going to go ahead and click on that, and then from here, we're going to select the option that says Start Building. Now, I'm already logged in, so you might have to do the same thing in order to be able to get to this point. You can either continue with Google or you can create an account if you need to do that. But once you're logged in, you should see this screen should bring you to console.anthropic.com. And you can see here the option that says Get API Keys. We're going to go ahead and click on that. And from here, you're going to see that in order to continue, you are going to need to buy credits. So that is essentially the main restriction here with getting an API key, is it is going to cost you at least $5 USD. So once you have done that, then you should have the option to create a key. If you have never created a key before, then you can just create a key and then make sure that you take note of the key and put that in a safe place. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe for more helpful tips.